Hello and welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. In this video, I'll show you how to remember Chinese words easier and faster. For example, let's say that you're studying very hard for HSK 6. And in lesson 26, we have these 52 words that you have to learn. Well, good luck. But what you don't want to do is memorizing this by rote. Rather, what you want to do is learn by input. You can naturally remember the word by looking at as many video clips that contain this word as possible. Now let me show you how. First, go to the website zerotohero.ca. You can do this on any browser, desktop or mobile. From the home page, under Chinese Zero to Hero, choose Chinese Dictionary right here. And from the dictionary search bar, let's type the first word, 默默. Then, if you scroll down to the video section, you can see 10 video clips containing the word 默默. You can watch the video clips and get a sense of how the word 默默 is used. There are two navigation bars on top and at the bottom of the video. Use the top bar to navigate between different video clips. Use the bottom bar to navigate the lines within the video clip. If you're using a computer, you can also navigate between the video clips using the Shift left arrow key and the Shift right arrow key combinations. Now you can see how the word 默默 is used in video clips. But the problem is that most of the clips are songs which don't really illustrate the word. What we can do is we can tell the program to only search for video clips that are not songs. We do that by pressing the All Videos button at the top of the video area. Then we uncheck all videos, then recheck all TV shows, and close the dialog. This way, we tell the program only to search for video clips from TV shows. Now I can see more relevant examples with the word 默默.
遇到他的朋友都默默离场，不去任。
行，他默默转身。
不是我连心里默默不舒服。
Keep doing this for the other words. For example, 熄灭 to stop burning, to extinguish.
熄灭炉火，让白。
惰性很难熄灭啊。
When we're going through the examples, we're looking for ones that can best illustrate the meaning of the word as vividly as possible. For example, for the word 熄灭 to extinguish a fire, it's best to look at examples that have actual fires in them that can be extinguished.
熄灭炉火。
For example, this one, it has an actual fire burning and he's extinguishing it.
惰性很难熄灭啊。
Whereas this one, he's merely talking about extinguishing a fire.
火焰。
Right. In these ones, they're merely talking about extinguishing. But what you're looking for are clips that can actually illustrate the sense of the word by showing you what the meaning. Now, let's do another example. 挪, meaning to move or displace. Sometimes you go through all the search results and you find that none of the results are very good. So what do? How can you get more results? Well, you can go to Settings, and then under General Settings, there's an option that says Limit this word in TV show search results faster. By default, this is checked because by limiting the search results, we're actually delivering the results faster. So if you want more results, simply uncheck this, right? Make sure that this is not checked. And then now go back to the dictionary. Now the search is much slower, but you get 176 results instead of just 9 results. So with this method, remembering words is no longer a boring task. Although it will still take a long time for you to remember a long list of words, and you still have to review the list from time to time over a few days. Doing it this way is a lot more fun and can give you a better sense of how the word is used in real contexts. And that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to manage your saved words so that you can go through your saved words more quickly. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to learn Chinese in a structured way, please sign up for our full HSK courses. Just tap on the square button to the left. We'll see you in the next video.